Hello everybody and welcome back to Melmi Food and Lifestyle. Melmi, it's me. Come join me today and let's cook together this amazing shirataki noodle recipe. Shirataki noodles are something that I personally discovered for myself a few months ago and I just fell in love with them. And here I want to share this recipe with you. Let's cook together this amazing shirataki noodles with vegetables and garlic shrimps. It's a perfect summer recipe with low calorie and almost zero carbs and can get ready in less than half an hour. Come with me. I want to talk to you about the shirataki noodles. From the shop you can get two versions. This is my favorite. You can cook it yourself, about 20 minutes. Second is a pre-cooked and all you have to do is make the sauce and put the noodles in it. I like the texture more of the dry noodles as the pre-cooked one is too gummy for my liking. For one package of noodles, I add 1 liter of water, 1 beef stock cube and around 20 minutes of cooking. Noodles will absorb the flavor from the beef stock and make it more delicious. It's made from konjac root, similar to tapioca, and have few carbohydrates and calories. Noodles are the best if you can use as much colorful vegetables as you have. I like to add half yellow zucchini cut into julienne. Also green one suits very well. I just think the yellow has softer skin. Then 1 medium carrot will add nice crunch and sweetness and also cut into julienne. Add the red bell pepper or actually any color bell pepper will do fine. I just love the bright red color. Remove the seeds and veins for better texture and cut into similar pieces. Pak Choi is my new favorite vegetables I use a lot lately. Cut it in half and chop. Also, it cooks very fast. And is always a good choice to go to wok style noodles. I use half onion and cut it like this. For more umami taste, these shimeji mushrooms are amazing. Just cut the mushrooms off from the package like this. Also, if possible, adding fresh cleaned peas to your food is next level as they give the sweetness and crunch needed for this lovely dish. These I just picked from my garden and I just love them. Let's not forget garlic to bring together all the flavors. Just 3 to 4 finely chopped cloves are enough. For the sauce, I make basic Asian style recipe and it goes like this. 4 tablespoons of quality dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1 spoon of sugar syrup. Mix it well and it's ready. Start by frying on a very hot pan shimeji mushrooms until they are nice, little bit brown and smaller. Remove them and fry other ingredients. Add onions, carrots, zucchini, and peppers. Fry until they have become softer and have nice crunch to them. They are ready when they look like this. For the last part, start with hot pan, pour peeled and fresh shrimps. Little bit of oil. Shrimps don't really need much frying, only few minutes both sides, but pan needs to be hot. In the middle of the cooking, add the garlic and let them become one with the shrimps. Finish off the other side of the shrimps and they are ready when slightly turned red. For the final touch, add the peas, pak choi, and mushrooms to the rest of the veggies and fry a little bit more. Next, add the cooked noodles. Mix them well together so everything is nice and even. And finally, add the garlic shrimps. Look at that deliciousness. Lovely and lively colors. Perfect food for any occasion. Finish off with the best sauce ever. This combination together is amazing. Start with plating like this. This recipe makes about 4 medium-sized portions. Also, these noodles make you feel more fuller after eating smaller portions than with normal noodles. Make sure to get all the colors on every plate, just picking up slowly piece by piece and adding all those amazing flavors and colors together. Once on a plate, finish off with some roasted sesame seeds, green onions, and fresh lime. Enjoy! If you like my content and my videos, then please ring the bell, subscribe, and put the like. Thank you!